Upon logging into your ATS Online Learner account, you'll be brought to the Learner dashboard and your name will be displayed here. To locate desired content, click the My Courses tile, which will then display the folder or folders that you're subscribing to: emergency medical, fire, or industrial. To locate your desired course, open the folder and locate the training series that the course belongs to. Select Start if this is your first attempt at taking the course, or select Resume if you've previously started the course but have not yet completed it. For learners taking the interactive version of these courses, you'll notice that upon entering a previously started course, you'll be prompted to resume where you left off by selecting Yes, or to play the course from the beginning by selecting No. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will select No to start from the beginning. Now I'll jump through a few of the sections of the course to get to the first set of questions to demonstrate how the interactive portion of this course behaves. Please note that on the live version of these courses, the forward button goes away and the system will not allow you to move ahead until each video segment has been finished. After each video segment, the learner will be presented with a series of questions based off of what they just watched. The first question in this example is a multiple choice question. Notice that there are no identifiers to the answers like A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4. This way answers cannot be recorded or shared by other learners. Next, we'll demonstrate why this version of our courseware is truly interactive. When a learner answers a question incorrectly, the program stops, backs up, shows a video clip with the correct information, and then re-asks the same question. The learner must answer the question correctly in order to move ahead so they can't continue through the course with any misconceptions. In the live version of this course, in your next attempt at answering the question, the choices here will appear in a different and randomized order. This method reinforces each learning objective and ensures the learner is paying close attention to the information being presented and not just guessing their answers. When answered correctly, you will see a correct feedback slide reinforcing that information. After this portion of the interactive assessment, the learner is presented with the section quiz. In order for you to progress to the next training objective, you must pass this quiz. Once you've progressed through each training objective in this fashion, you'll be presented with the final exam. The final exam randomly selects questions that were previously answered and presented throughout the course. Your grade for the final exam is then reported to the learning management system. There are a couple of features to note within the dashboard of the home page as we wrap up. The Resume feature is available for all courses that have been started but not yet completed. Any course title found within the Resume feature located on your home page will take you back to the most recent course that you were in. The Inbox feature is a great tool for administrators and instructors to post messages that are viewable by their learners. This is also a place where Action Training Systems will post periodic updates as they pertain to your online account. Finally, the learner transcript. Here, learners can see course progress, exam scores, and they can even click, print, or save certificates earned from within the system. These certificates and student transcripts can also be viewed or printed by the instructor from the administrative side of the system. This completes the learner side of the ATS Online tutorial.